Welcome to Vision Turf and Pavers, where innovation meets craftsmanship. Say goodbye to the hassle of maintaining a natural lawn and hello to a stress-free, perfect lawn all year round. Our artificial turf replicates the look and feel of real grass with precision and durability. It's pet-friendly, withstands heavy foot traffic, and is easy to clean. Conserve water and reduce your carbon footprint with our environmentally friendly turf. No more watering, mowing, or fertilizing required. Experience the convenience of our virtually maintenance-free artificial turf. Create beautiful memories on our vibrant and durable turf. Host gatherings, play, or relax in the sun. Contact Vision Turf and Pavers today for the perfect, green lawn that stays vibrant all year long. Vision Turf and Pavers, where innovation meets craftsmanship, making your outdoor dreams a reality.